From Airbus Foundation Discovery Space in partnership with Autodesk presents Design for Space Travel. Challenge number 1. For 12 years old and below, using Autodesk Tinkercad, design a rocket to go to the moon. Challenge number 2. For 13 to 17 years old and 18 up to 25 years old, using Autodesk Fusion 360, design a spaceship for commuting between the Earth and Moon. Exclusive for Filipino students. On top of the prizes from Autodesk and Airbus Foundation, we will be giving away 3 Autodesk certification exam vouchers for you to stand out as Autodesk certified, and 3 annual Lino.com subscription to the best spaceship design in the 3 categories of the competition. Kindly submit the proof and copy of your entries to autodeskcommunityphilippines at gmail.com on or before 28th of July 2018. Our national winners will be announced on the 1st of August 2018. Hurry up! Join the Airbus Foundation Autodesk Design for Aerospace now.